So this is the recap for live stream 373, I believe. And after a long hiatus of about 6 weeks, I've come back to trading a couple of days ago. In my time away, I've just been busy regarding work. And what I've done is I've just looked at strategies. I look at making some changes to the strategies I've been using. And I've come back and I've seemed to have stumbled onto something, but time will ultimately tell. So let's get into this recap today. There's only a few trades I've taken. So it was the 3rd of November. Started the accounts around the 8:16 mark. We can see that's where we ended the day on the 31st, which was last Friday. And we're going to end the day up at the 9:26. We can see here I picked up 55. This 18, I was trying to make a trade in another instrument, and so I accidentally exited out of the position in the NQ actually. So this here, this loss and this loss essentially is just the same loss on NQ. We can see there I picked up a win on gold, another win on gold. And before that, there was this win on NQ. This was somewhat fortuitous because I was not supposed to exit there. I exited early. It so happened to work in my favor because if I did not, that would have been another loss. So that's pretty much the trades I've taken. So the trades taken after took a long here, target was hit, took another long, target was hit. Over on NQ again, came to the market after this sell-off. This was a short, took profits early. The target I should have been looking at, I exited at 45.75. I should have been looking at around 26.50. That's why I've got this alert set. Then went short. This was, I believe this was the exit early on the mistake when I was trying to make a trade in gold, and ultimately went back short again and ultimately paid the price as price went, ultimately paid as I was stopped out. Those are pretty much the trades. I'll have a look over at the trade performance tab. Over on the trade performance tab, we can see here took a total of 5 trades. There's the commissions around 31, 32, 40. Picked up 110 today for all my efforts in about an hour of trading. Had 3 winners, 2 losers. We can see win rate 60%, average win being 57,300, the average loss being 29, combination of the 18 and I think it was 48 there. See, we got 100% win rate on gold, whereas we didn't have such a great win rate, only 33% over on NQ. That's in large part due to the trade that was exited by mistake and the loser after that. So we'll continue to trade the current system. It does have a few wrinkles that I don't believe can be ironed out, especially regards to divergences. But we'll see what it brings in the coming weeks and months ahead. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.